Nail it! The cooking competition show in Netflix has motivated me to try new ways of baking. Hello, my name is Sanshiro, a food aficionado. Have you ever watched Nail It? The competition of amateur baker in Netflix. The show has invited many amateur bakers to try to imitate the renowned recipe of the renowned shops. And it was so funny because as an audience we saw they try and they struggle and they failed to bake that wonderful, gorgeous, elegant cakes. But I also understood completely that those cakes are completely difficult to imitate if you don't know anything about the cake or any techniques that they have used to assemble to become a huge cake. However, I was so impressed by the creativity of the cakes and also the perseverance of the participants. I completely understood how difficult they have to make, and they require some techniques or tips that they need to do it exactly. Otherwise, they won't be able to imitate the cakes. And that show has given me courage to try new things, to try new recipes. And I really love that show because Nail It is not only funny but also motivational for amateur bakers too. And I hope that one day I would be able to bake a huge elegant cake like in the show because I really need a big kitchen. And do you have any favorite cooking, baking, or any food show? Please comment below to let me know if I have ever watched them too. And please share your thoughts about the shows too. I'll be happy to hear from you. And see you in the next video.